Hello friends, this is Ritesh from RetailRitesh.com and welcome back to the weekend video series. As you know that we are approaching the end of 2020. It has been a tough year for all of us, and we all will be setting our goals for 2021. Hence this video which I am doing like a small webinar, just a small 1 minute or 2 minute duration webinar in which I'm going to tell you how you can write your goals in terms of how you can develop your habits using a very scientific tool, which I have learned from reading a book called Atomic Habits by the author called James Clear. And let me share the slide which will help you to understand what I'm saying. Yes, here we are. So this is basically we all know the our old beliefs, our way of functioning defines our habit, and habit defines who we are, our personality, whether we are from the winner or from or whether we are going to be successful in our careers. It all depends upon your habits. As they say, change if you change one of your bad habits and convert into something good or develop something good habit, you can definitely become a new person altogether. So I'm going to take you through the journey. The journey is just a simple one slide which is here. It talks about various the process. When you form a new habit, it all starts from defining your outcomes. It starts defining your processes. It start defining your identity. So the first layer is outcomes, which talks about, suppose you set a goal for 2021 that you have to write a book or you have to lose a weight. So that becomes the end result that you are focusing on. The most critical part in any habit forming or habit developing strategy is the process. If the process, the journey is not right, or if the process is not right, you won't achieve your end result that you have started your whole goal setting or task setting for the year. So the most important and the critical part is the process. Now the second layer is process, which is, for example, actioning on the new routine or developing a gym schedule. Suppose your goal for the year is that you want to lose a weight, so you have to start with defining yourself into which gym you have to go, what exercise you have to done, which will help you to achieve your outcome, which will help you to achieve your end result that you have set for yourself. And the last layer is called changing identity. This is something called power of visualization. Start believing in what you want to achieve. Suppose you want to become a writer, start posting it. I mean, in terms of set a visual calendar on your social media page, or even I would suggest take a pic of a book that you want to read or you want to contemplate on. Start posting it on your social media, and by doing that, you not only developing a content, but you're also developing your mindset. You're asking, or you're consistently feeding your brain that you have to either become a good reader or you have to write a book. So it will keep your mind or it will feed your mind continuously, that and will keep on reminding that you have to write a book, you have to write a book. Hence, once you start to write a book, then you will start writing some thoughts, some sentences every day in your journal, in your daily diary. And once you'll see that once you have got into the habit of writing a page every day, you can end up writing a book very, very soon. So that's the whole journey. Same thing goes if you want to lose weight. Visualize how you will look as in much more healthier, fitter and slimmer version of yourself. Put a visualization or a photograph of a person, how he has transformed his body, and then look at it and see that you one day you will be in that shape. And you start coding your mind or feeding your mind with the natural everyday stuff, and start thinking how a healthy person would be eating. So suppose if you are if a burger is presented to you, first question in your mind will should come, will the healthy person eat junk food? The answer will be no. Hence you start controlling the cravings. You start giving cues to your mind that you have to develop yourself as a healthier option or a healthier version, and hence the end result will be you will be much more healthier, wealthier, and slimmer. So this is the whole process, how to develop a habit. And if you have a good habit, you will definitely become a wise person and much